Okay, just a short video today, and what I have here is the exploded parts of a cordless snowblower. It's from SnowJoe. It's the SnowJoe 18-inch 40-volt blower, model number ION 18SB. So I was using it today in our record-breaking snowfall up here in Toronto, Canada. And it stalled a couple of times, and I tried to start it up again, and it hesitated, and then finally it just didn't start. So I bought this in 2018, so I had about 3 winters of use of it. I didn't use it very much each year, maybe at most a handful of times, 4 or 5 times tops. So it prematurely failed. So I took it apart to see what could be wrong. I'm afraid it's the electronics, the motor control board, or the battery regulator. So a couple of things I did. So the battery's in, so we see that the lights do work. So there's an LED switch here at the control. So if I turn that on, you can see the LED works. And there's a switch here also that controls the direction of the chute. It rotates, so you can see the chute moves. There's nothing wrong with that. So also I put my meter here on the black and white lead going down, so there is 41 and 41.6 volts going down into this control board here, and I think this control board is fried, probably overheated, and it's gone. I thought maybe it could have been over here in behind the battery compartment. There's also a battery regulator, so that could have failed also, but probably not. I think there is power going down, so I suspect it's this part right here. So I called up SnowJoe and inquired about parts replacement, and they do not offer any internal parts at all. They also do not have a service center to fix any of their units, so the best that they could offer was 20% off on a new blower. So kind of disappointed, thought I could fix it, but it's not repairable. The battery is good. I have 2 batteries, which I guess I'll use for my SnowJoe lawnmower. So anyways, if you have any ideas of how this might be able to be repaired, or there's parts available, just leave your comments in the box and I'll check it out. Anyways, thanks for watching.